Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can use dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. So here, you just need to go first on your settings and then scroll down here and select on accessibility. Now go to motion and here make sure that you turn off this reduce motion to be able to use the animation in your dynamic wallpaper. So once done, go back to the main settings. And then from here, scroll down a bit and select on wallpaper. Once done, you will find here an option to tap on add new wallpaper button and then scroll down until you find iOS 18. And then from here, swipe left to be able to find the dynamic. As you can see right here, so once selected, you will see a preview of how the wallpaper will change colors during the day. And now click on add at the top right hand corner. And then you'll be asked if you want to use this on your lock screen or home screen. So I'm going to select on set as wallpaper pair. And then once done here, if you go back to your home screen, then you'll find your dynamic wallpaper. Now keep in mind that dynamic wallpaper won't also work if your iPhone is in low power mode. So make sure that you turn this off, as you can see, so you can fully enjoy the dynamic effect. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.